Hello, my beautiful sisters, mommy, everyone. So today gele will be this one. The gele is so simple, so easy. You can easily tie. Don't look at the style as very hard one. As you can see, it's like this. The gele is so simple. It's not hard. By looking at it, you may think it's hard, but it's not hard. It's not hard at all. So the joining of the gele that I'm using is by 4 line, but you can make use of like 3 line also, but it depends on how you want your pleating to be much. If you want your pleating to be much, it's better you should use like 4 line of gele, but if you don't want your pleating to be much, you can just use 3 line of gele. So I'm making use of 4 line of gele now. So then I'm extending the pleat that I created at that front. I'm extending the pleat. That is what I'm doing now. Then taking it to the back. So you make this gele to be 50-50 ratio, not 70-30, not 80-20, 50-50 ratio. The both hand has to be equal because you are bringing the both hand back to the front and you are tying it at the front. So that is what I'm doing now. So I'm bringing it to the front now. Then I started creating pleats there. So after creating like 3 pleats, I grabbed the one that my model is holding for me. Then I'll start creating pleats with that one now also. So I'll create like 3 pleats there also, or 4, like that. So I'll tell my model to hold it for me. So the next thing now, I'll bring the both hands together now, then tie it. But before tying it, tell your model to hold the both side so that the pleating that you first create will not lose. So it's better to tell your model or your client to help you to like hold it. And if you are tying it on your head, you can easily use your neck to hold it. So the next thing, I just the other excess hand now, I'll start creating like pleats there now, like that. Creating pleats. Adjusting the pleats. So now I'll go back now with the other hand now, start creating pleats also. So you see, this style is very easy, guys, because by you seeing it at first you will think it's hard, but the process is so easy, guys. You can achieve it. When tying your gele, you just have to like take your time, don't be in too hurry. But if your client or your client is in hurry, you can just easily tie simple style for your clients that will not stress you that much. So I'm like still adjusting the pleats because I have to adjust it before me tying the other hand now again. So now I'm tying the other hand. Just look at that. So you see that the gele is so easy, guys. So easy. It's not hard. But when tying it, don't tie it to be too tight. It should not be too tight. So the next thing, I want to start adjusting the pleats. Adjusting it. Just adjust it the way you want. Still adjusting it. I'll use office pin to pin it down at that back. So now the next thing, try to adjust it again before going to the other side. Now I want to adjust the other side now. Pinning it down now at the back. So sorry you are not seeing the back. I thought I was showing the back. Oh, I don't know, my camera is not. Sorry about that. So you can see the beauty of the gele now start coming out. Just try and adjust your pleats very well, and that is it about the gele. So easy, so simple. So easy, so simple. So that is it. Do let me know if you have any question. Do let me know. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next one. So the next one I'll be uploading makeup again. So that is it about the gele. Do let me know if you have any question. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.